So in this video I want to talk a bit about folding knives that I made in the past. First of all, the very first folding knife that I made, 154 cm blade. Sadly, my my first friction folder, first actually folding knife. What did I want to say? How can I improve? But yeah, basically the only thing going on is the steel. I mean, but my first folding knife taught me a lot, and from this one, made a couple of this design. Then I made this one. I was thinking of redoing. Would have failed this one, but it's a really nice little carry one that I need to clean up. As you can see, I was thinking of redoing this into a tanto, but I'm really happy that I haven't done that. Something I really like about this one is the spacer. So yeah, this is the next generation of the. Then my first and one of my only Damascus knives, leather pattern. Also, this one is a fail. Well, it's one of my early ones. Not really a fail, but I was thinking maybe I should make another friction folder in the future. So that's the friction folders. Now let's take a look at the slip joints. This one is my own. Was the prototype. Still really like it. Firework came out beautiful. It had a mirror finish on it, but it's, as you can see, it's scratched up a lot, but even the nail nick is just with a cut-off disc from a Dremel. So yeah, that's the first slip joint that I made. First generation. The second generation of the slip joints. It's I don't have the third generation at the moment because I sold it. But you will have seen the one that's white with stainless steel. Link to the video in the description if you want to see that. Yeah, basically the second generation. And a one-off, an idea that I had with removable scales, but really like how the file worked turned out. But it's a one-off. I was thinking if I can make a slip joint where you can remove the pin, but without the head stop, so this is in that position it's quite loose, but so you can remove the scales, but not happy with the design. It's, you know, wasn't happy with the design, so it's never just this one. No more of this will be made. My second backlog that I made, I only made 3 so far because I want to improve them first before make a new one. That's the backlog that I make. So which one is my favorite slip joint? Hold on. So which one is my favorite folding knife that I have built so far? My favorite folding knife that I built so far is not even on the table. I'm gonna get it right now. So yeah, my favorite folding knife that I built. I'm gonna make some room because gonna be needing it. You have seen it in the intro, or whatever you wanna call it. This, let's see. This is my favorite folding knife that I built so far. The folding sword. Don't really have a video about it, just testing it. But that's it for video that I have about it. It's yeah, a ring lock folding knife, but a little biggy. So yeah, that's my favorite folding knife that I made so far.